Hi, and welcome to my channel. I have something really interesting to talk to you about, and I want to show you a haul. It is a channel called Spectrum Art Creations, and I will link their channel down below. They do a live sale every Saturday. What is it? From 2 o'clock? From 2 o'clock till about 8 or 9. And Maddie, the lady that runs the store, and her daughter Madison, and her husband, and her son, I believe. Anyway, it's a family-run business. They have a store. They have an online store also, spectrumartcreations.com. But on Saturday, she shows you everything. She opens material. She opens the books. If there's something you don't know how to use, she demonstrates it for you. An amazing place to get your crafts. She has vintage things. She has, the newest and the greatest things. If Tim Holtz comes out with something, she's got it on there. All the artists' newest things she gets on there. So let me just show you what I got, and then I will link all the information down below in the description box, and please go check it out. I will show you this material. This is Kathy Holden material, and I would have never known about this material had she not opened it for me, like, on the video, and I had gotten a chance to look at it and see what it is. I would have never known, how beautiful this is. Like, take a look at this. This is gorgeous. And her prices are very, very reasonable, like very reasonable. I don't remember exactly what I would have paid for this, but yes, it is very comparable to a lot of places. I know that. So, and it comes very quickly to you. You just pay online. You can arrange any type of payment with her. Just very, very nice. Her daughter Madison is on the autism spectrum, so yeah, and she's on there, and she's wonderful. She's an absolute delight. This family is amazing. Her moderators that she has are amazing. They interact with you, they talk with you, and it's just, yeah, I love it. I like it. That's where I spend my Saturday afternoons, just with them. Like, I just love it. This, I believe, is oh yes, this is also Kathy Holden, and look at how gorgeous this is. Look at these birds. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just love it. I love it, love it. And these are 2 fat quarters. I just cannot remember what they were, but it was just unbelievable, the price. So I just had to get it, and I can just see so many gorgeous things being made with this. I can't wait to get into this. I haven't gotten into anything from her shop because I wanted to do a haul first and show you guys what absolute beautiful goodies she has. And yeah, there's that one. And then this one is like a sewing themed one. And is this a Kathy Holden? I'm not sure what this is. No, this is a I'm not sure. It's Moda Fabrics. I'm not sure if this is Kathy Holden. I think it is. But I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But I just love this. Like, what a beautiful sewing journal this would make. I just made a few, but I didn't have this material at the time. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. And yeah, I'm so grateful that Maddie's there. She picks out great items for us at super duper prices. And she has from fabric to stamps to stickers to paper collections. Like these stamps. These are also by Kathy Holden. And I never even knew she had stamps. No idea. And it says provisions, special, token of friendship, home, vintage, souvenir, friendship, blessings, mercantile, miscellany. What? Miscellany? What? Why can't I read that? Miscellany. Family, original, journal, fancy goods. Miscellany? I don't know. And they also, what I love is they make their own stencils. This is Spectrum Art Creations own stencil. So if you get this stencil, no other store will have this. So you are, you know, if you buy it there, you will have one, but no other store sells them. So it's at www.spectrumartcreations.com. So go check them out. And then she had these Alice cards, like oversized Alice cards. And I would like to make a Alice in Wonderland journal one day. So look at these. These are perfect. Like, you know, a front and a back cover. How perfect are they? I just love it. Oh, I'm so excited. And then she has, these are, what do you call these? I always forget. Decoupage papers? Let me see here. Decoupage papers, yes. So let me open this one for you. And this is what she does. She opens the package and she tells you how it feels. And she tells you how big it is. There's 2 sheets in here. And look at this. This one just keeps going and going and going. Look at these people. And going and going. Whew. It's huge. Huge, huge, huge. Look at that. It is huge. I can't even fill the camera. And it's just got so many pieces you can use. And there's 2 of these huge pieces. So, yeah. And she'll tell you exactly what kind of paper this is. This is kind of like, feels like tissue paper. I think it's tissue paper. Don't quote me like I say. I think this is a little bit different, the decoupage. So there's 2 of those. I'll put those in the bag later. And then here is this one. This is, it says decoupage papers, 4 sheets, 2 designs. So how do I open this? Usually they have a thing at the bottom, but it's okay. I will open it here and we will check them out. So there is 2 of these. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? How many beautiful elements are there? Oh, look at the water fountain. It's gorgeous. And then there's this one. Gorgeous. Oh, I love these. So I will link the channel down below. And I will also link the store, the online store. And I believe she also has an Etsy store that you can go to. So I will link all of that. And if you do go and buy something, would you just mention that I sent you? Tina Epp sent you, and you heard it through me, and she gives you points, or she gives you, yeah, entries in free draws. She has free giveaways, where you just pick a number, and whoever's the closest. She has this game. It's called Spectrum Art Creations Deal or No Deal. Really fun. Lots of laughs and lots of fun. So yeah, go check it out, and I am sure you will not regret it. And we'll talk to you soon. God bless. Bye.